How to download Messenger app in laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can download Messenger app in your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Microsoft Store. So simply search for Microsoft Store. There it is. Open up your Microsoft Store. On a Microsoft Store, all you have to do is search for Messenger and hit enter. And with that, you should find the Messenger app right here. Tap on Messenger and open up your app. Now all you have to do is tap on this get button to start the download process. And yeah, just let it load and it should begin the download. You can see it's getting ready and it's queued. And yeah, it should now download rather quickly. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like the tutorial video, don't forget to hit the like button down below as well. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.